Alright guys, so this is kind of part one of brake upgrades for my 68 F100. Recently for Christmas, I got a Christmas bonus from work, and a very small portion of that I used to buy this off of eBay. 8-inch power brake booster conversion kit. Comes with everything you need to convert, if you have manual drum brakes with no brake booster, to be able to use that. This is for the front drum, rear drum setup. You can also use it when you do if you do a disc conversion. You just need the combination valve. But it's from Private Jack Ashvalancy. I was referred to this seller on eBay for this specific conversion kit because it comes with the brake booster, the master cylinder, the mount, and the brake pedal rod all in one kit, so you don't have to source from several different places. Just makes it easier. He said he likes it. It definitely stops. It's a world of difference, and he has all drums as well. So it came in the mail today, or well, yesterday. But let's get down here and show. Ugh. So first of all, yep, there's the brake booster. I already put the mounts on. Like I said, that's one thing that's kind of a pain to find new is the mounts to put a brake booster on one that was originally just a master cylinder. Also comes with this adjustable, pretty much like a Heim joint rod. So that'll make it super easy to adjust because you have a bunch of thread that goes like out to here to just here, and a decent amount of thread on the end. So you can pretty much set your brake pedal wherever you'd like to have it set, high or low, depends on your preference. So it comes with that. Of course, it comes with the, God, this is heavy, master cylinder. It's brand new. It kind of looks like the older style, like the way it's designed and all that. It's not the one that clicks over the side, but I mean, that should be fine. The outlets, they're pretty sure they're for several different kinds of years, so it has outlets on both sides depending on the year of truck that you have. I said mine's a 68, so it'll be on the outside. Also with that, it comes with plugs, so whatever side you don't use, you have the plugs to plug them up. Also came with the beveled rod, so that'll press against for the brake booster and slide right in the master cylinder, so that way it works. Also came with how to bench bleed the master cylinder. Came with just the cheap clear rubber hose. Come on, focus, why don't you? And the clips to do that, along with idiot-proof instructions. So like I said, this is just kind of part one, just going over everything really quick. Part two, we'll be installing it and showing how much better it stops, really, and if I like it and if I'll recommend it. So stay tuned for that video. Till then.